How to see your own Facebook password. Let's dive into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. Once you have done, just know that you cannot see your Facebook password within the Facebook. So in order to see that, make sure that it is saved somewhere on your device. So starting from the password app on your iPhone. Tap on the password app. It may ask for your Face ID, Touch ID, or even the passcodes. Use it and enter it. Once inside the password app, you can see the passkeys option available there. Tap on the passkeys and all you have to do is scroll down to all the passwords and look for the Facebook option available there. Tap on the Facebook and you can see your username and password displayed on your screen. Simply copy it and paste it on your Facebook and that's it. The other option to check for your password is go back to your home screen and tap on the Google Chrome. Once inside the Google Chrome, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of your screen. From there, a drop-down menu will appear and there you can see Password Manager. Inside there, look for the Facebook option and simply tap on it and again the password will be displayed on your screen. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe and thank you so much for watching.